Bitcoin holding strong after a tough week under the spotlight. Bakkt set to launch in the third quarter of 2019. Not that again. Does anyone care? And what possible effects could that have on the price of Bitcoin and crypto? And what does it mean for crypto? Those are the topics that we're going to be discussing in this morning's video. Good morning, everybody. It's a Monday morning, and I hope you're all excited to start the week. I know I am. Let's get right into it. Let's have a quick look at the marketplace and see what's going on in the world of crypto. On Altcoin Trader, we have Bitcoin trading at 159,000 Rand, which is really nice to see, bearing in mind the week that Bitcoin has had, and it has been under the scrutiny of everyone. With the US president tweeting that he's not a fan of Bitcoin, yet Bitcoin resilience pushes through, and we've seen a Bitcoin above 10,000 US dollars, which is very bullish for me, and I quite frankly am very excited to see that. Bitcoin trading at World Coin Market Cap at 10,604 US dollars. So it's nice to see that it's managed to stay above the 10,000 US dollar mark. Very, very exciting. We've got Ethereum at 225 US dollars. You know, I like to see Ethereum at least above 300. So it's a little bit down, got some ways to go back to getting to 300. And we've got XRP at 32 cents. You know, last week it was up in the 40 cents. So it's also had a bit of a slide. And Litecoin, I always like to see above 100 US dollars. We've got it trading at 99. So it's nearly there. Let's talk about Bakkt and what that means for crypto and why anyone should care. So previously we've heard a lot of people saying Bakkt's going to launch. It's been in the news, it's been in the media, and it has had an effect on the market. It has caused Bitcoin price to spike. But so many times we've been disappointed, we've been let down because of numerous reasons. Bakkt has in fact not launched. Now, once again, back in the headlines, Bakkt set to launch third quarter of 2019. What does that mean for Bitcoin, and what does it mean for crypto as a whole? Okay, so these institutions are very scared about where they put their money for good reason, because they have a lot of it. So if institutions are to invest in crypto and into Bitcoin specifically, they need to be sure that the space is regulated, and they need to be sure that their money is safe. Okay, so Bakkt opens that up. Now, if Bakkt has been stockpiling Bitcoins and has got a healthy stack of them, we know that it won't really affect the price when they launch because they have got stock, so to say. The thing with Bakkt is that the contracts are physically settled. In other words, when it comes time to settle, they're not able to just say, Bitcoin's 10,000 US dollars, yes, 10,000 US dollars. They have to settle it in Bitcoin, which means that they would have to buy Bitcoin, which means more buyers in the marketplace, and obviously the price would go up. So we have, if we look at best case scenario, we have a situation where a lot of institutional money is set to come into this crypto space, which means that the price will go up because there will be a lot more buyers, which means retail investors like you and I will see the price going up. Mainstream media will write articles and it will be all over, and we will FOMO in, buy more Bitcoins, which will cause the price to go up more, and it'll become a vicious circle, which would be nice for a lot of investors that have been holding Bitcoin for a long time, because the price could go through the roof, and I mean literally through the roof. If, of course, Bakkt have a stockpile of Bitcoins and they don't need to buy, and the institutions come in and they don't put a lot of money in, they want to take a wait and see approach, then of course we could see the price just gradually going up. But even with that scenario, it's positive. Now, just very quickly, is this a good thing for crypto? Because is this what we want? We're looking for adoption, we're looking for financial solutions, we're looking for financial freedom. And this is pushing crypto into a situation where it's more of a store of wealth, where people are using it for speculation, for investment, and to hold wealth. So while that doesn't immediately achieve the goal of a financial solution or a financial alternative, it certainly puts the eyes of the world on Bitcoin, which once again opens it up down the road in the long term as an alternative financial solution. So either way you look at it, the future for Bitcoin, especially in the short to midterm, is extremely bright. I'm excited. What a time to be alive. What a time to be involved in crypto. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Monday.